Welcome to GQUAT Traditions. Thursday evenings, 4 to 6 Eastern Time, I teach a volunteer arts and craft class. This young lady is making a hand-embroidered bag with a character on it for a grandchild. The first photo was a coins quilt made by tracing an old CD onto fabric and then putting the circle on an 8.5-inch block. This is a project from Dollar Tree, a wire rack, and we took some tiny scraps that were left over from other projects, tied them on the wire frame to make a wreath which we sprayed with fragrant essential oils. This is what the wreath looks like afterwards. You can use seasonal fabrics like Christmas or fall, Easter, and make it really pretty. This is a hand-sewn table runner. Thanks for watching. Again, this is a coin quilt. Very easy. Peace, love, and blessings. Thanks for coming.